Hi guys, and welcome to my video of engineering with Advika. And today we will be making Lego. We're gonna be making a Lego salon and fashion boutique introduction.
Yeah, it's an introduction video. So this is like an engineering with Advika project that Advika thought up of, and I'm helping out. So
Are you gonna tell them the part by part?
yeah, further in the video you'll find more info about the whole idea.
Yeah.
So tell them about the Lego Salon and the fashion
So
boutique.
the Lego salon is will do so many stuff that we will it's gonna be a huge project at the end. This is gonna be
Fun, though there's lots of parts. That's why we're going to make piece by piece. So like part by part, you see.
And we will introduce my
It's a surprise. We will introduce some specials.
my doll named I won't tell you. It's a surprise.
Yeah, it's a surprise. So, as you can see on this screen, one second, let me just. Yeah. So there's part one, which is a desk. Part two, it's the bench. Part three is the background and base. Part
Hey,
four.
your laser is following my eye again. Oh yeah. Go back to part 3 or whatever part.
Part 3 is the background and base. Part 4 is the parking lot, and part 5 is the finishing touches, fun activities, and surprises.
Surprises.
The fun activities are also we won't tell you, so you guys have to wait. And we would really recommend that you follow the whole series and watch all the parts, so that you can make your creation to the best of its possibility. So for these parts, they're all short videos, and you can watch them, pause them, resume them, rewind, all those things. And I guess that's it. But because of all these small descriptions, like the desk and the bench, you guys probably are picturing some form of a salon or fashion boutique, but ours is kind of a bit unique. And I forgot to say this, but a small side note that this is similar to a Lego Barbie fashion boutique thing, but it's adapted from that, except it's kind of different. It has an AM Sisters touch to it. And some of the parts are also from that kit, but it's different, right?
Yeah, mostly the backgrounds are from that kit, and yeah.
But the pieces are from all around, and the ideas are just different. So tune in for these parts. Also, email us photos of your creations. Email amsisters837@gmail.com your creations. We would love to see them. We would. Because our creation is going to be
a big thing.
It's not big. It's not small either. It's kind of, it would be as big as a pizza box.
Yeah, it would be as big as a pizza box.
Yeah, to get you an idea.
Sounding yummy for food.
Yeah.
Pizza.
Advika.
Anyway.
Yeah, let's just go back
to the important part.
Yeah, so email us and we will look at it, and if you have any questions, also email us as always, or leave it in the comments down below, so we can get back to you, and it'll help other people have the same question. What?
You first say the whole video.
Okay. So after that, you can choose to do this at the beginning, throughout the video, throughout the parts, in the middle or at the end, when we can see your whole product, or both, or either, or just choose. It's your choice. Please like, share, and subscribe, and tune in for more AM Sisters videos, and for more parts in the project. And what were you going to say?
First you finish the whole video. We'll say it when it's done.
It's done.
Then you finish it.
Hey, just
Just finish it.
Fine. Bye.
Bye, guys.